Welcome back to Watch Genius. Today we're taking a look at 10 of the best Mido watches that combine Swiss precision, timeless design, and exceptional value. Known for their elegant aesthetics and reliable automatic movements, Mido timepieces strike the perfect balance between style and performance. Whether you're into classic dress watches or sporty divers, these Mido models truly stand out. Let's dive in. Number 9. Mido Men's Automatic Diving Watch Ocean Star 200C Green, 042.430.11.091.0 watch, is a professional-grade dive watch that seamlessly combines Swiss precision with bold design. Its striking green textured dial, enhanced with luminous hands and markers, ensures excellent readability above and below the surface. Crafted in a 42.5mm stainless steel case with a matching bracelet, it features a robust unidirectional rotating ceramic bezel, delivering durability and scratch resistance during underwater adventures. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, it offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, giving you reliable performance for days on end. The sapphire crystal provides lasting clarity, while the 200-meter water resistance makes it perfectly suited for diving and water sports. A day-date display at 3 o'clock adds practicality to its sporty elegance. Combining rugged functionality with modern style, the Ocean Star 200C is an ideal companion for divers and watch enthusiasts alike. Available at an approximate price of $1,050, it offers true Swiss value. Number 8. Mido Commander Big Date M0T1.626.22.031.0 is a refined timepiece that blends Swiss craftsmanship with timeless sophistication. Its standout feature is the large double-date window positioned at 6 o'clock, offering a modern twist on classic elegance. The 42mm stainless steel case is beautifully accented with rose gold PVD coating, paired with a matching two-tone bracelet that enhances its luxurious appeal. The silver sunray dial, highlighted with applied indexes and rose gold hands, delivers both clarity and understated style. At its heart, the watch is powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, providing remarkable accuracy and an impressive 80-hour power reserve. A sapphire crystal with anti-reflective treatment ensures lasting durability and visibility. Water-resistant up to 50 meters, it's designed for everyday sophistication rather than rugged extremes. Perfect for formal wear or professional settings, the Commander Big Date is a statement of elegance and innovation. Available at an approximate price of $100, it redefines modern luxury. Number 7. Mido Automatic Watch Multifort Power Reserve Anthracite M038.424.33.061.00 is a striking blend of sporty character and Swiss precision, designed for those who demand both style and performance. Its bold 42mm stainless steel case with black PVD coating gives it a modern, rugged appeal, while the anthracite dial with Geneva stripes and luminous markers adds depth and legibility. A standout feature is the power reserve indicator at 9 o'clock, offering a practical and visually engaging detail that highlights the watch's technical prowess. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, it delivers exceptional accuracy and up to 80 hours of power reserve, ensuring reliability for days without winding. The sapphire crystal provides superior scratch resistance, and the black PVD bracelet complements its sleek design. With 100-meter water resistance, it's equally at home in professional or casual settings. Available at an approximate price of $1,250, the Multifort Power Reserve combines innovation with modern elegance. Number 6. Mido Watchman Black Ocean Star 200 Automatic, Mido Caliber 80, is a robust and stylish diver's watch, engineered for precision and endurance in any environment. Its 42.5mm stainless steel case with a sleek black dial and unidirectional rotating bezel gives it a bold, sporty aesthetic that's perfect for adventure. The luminous markers and hands ensure excellent readability underwater, while the sapphire crystal provides lasting clarity and scratch resistance. At its core, the watch is powered by the renowned Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, offering remarkable accuracy and an impressive 80-hour power reserve ideal for extended wear without winding. With water resistance up to 200 meters, it meets professional diving standards while remaining versatile enough for daily wear. The stainless steel bracelet completes its rugged yet refined look, making it a perfect choice for both the ocean and the office. Available at an approximate price of $1,000, the Ocean Star 200 delivers Swiss reliability and modern sophistication. Number 5. Mido Watchman Commander Gradient Automatic Mido Caliber 80 Base ETA C07.611 watch is a bold, modern take on one of Mido's most iconic collections, offering a perfect fusion of heritage design and contemporary flair. Its standout feature is the gradient smoked dial, which subtly reveals the mechanics of the Caliber 80 automatic movement beneath, providing both visual intrigue and technical sophistication. Powered by the reliable ETA C07.611 base, this movement delivers up to 80 hours of power reserve, ensuring long-lasting precision and convenience. The 40 stainless steel case and bracelet add timeless durability, while the sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating ensures clarity and scratch resistance. Applied indexes and luminous hands enhance legibility, making it as practical as it is stylish. With 50-meter water resistance, the Commander Gradient is ideal for everyday wear, whether in the office or out in the city. Available at an approximate price of $960, it represents Swiss craftsmanship with a daring modern twist. Number 4. Mido Commander Big Date M021626106100 Anthracite Steel 1 size is a sophisticated men's automatic watch that blends Swiss precision with contemporary design. Its anthracite gray sunray dial gives it a sleek, modern look, highlighted by a striking Big Date window at 6 o'clock, offering both practicality and elegance. Housed in a 42mm stainless steel case and paired with a polished steel bracelet, this timepiece delivers durability and timeless appeal, making it suitable for both professional and casual wear. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective treatment ensures lasting clarity, while luminous hands and indexes provide excellent visibility day or night. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement based on ETA C07.6651, it delivers outstanding accuracy with an extended 80-hour power reserve. Water-resistant up to 50 meters, it offers peace of mind for everyday use. Available at an approximate price of $1,080, the Commander Big Date is a refined choice that embodies Swiss craftsmanship and modern style. Number 3. Mido Commander Blue Shade M8429.3.25.11 is a bold reinterpretation of a timeless classic, showcasing a striking design that captures both vintage charm and modern elegance. Its standout feature is the captivating gradient blue dial, transitioning from deep navy at the edges to a lighter shade at the center, creating a dynamic visual effect. Encased in a 37mm stainless steel case with rose gold PVD coating, the watch exudes refined sophistication, complemented by a matching mesh bracelet for a seamless fit. The clean dial is enhanced with slim indexes and day-date display at 3 o'clock, balancing function with style. Protected by a durable acrylic crystal, it remains faithful to its heritage-inspired design. Powered by a Swiss automatic movement, it delivers precision and reliability with every wear. With water resistance up to 50 meters, it is perfect for daily use. Available at an approximate price of $1,000, the Commander Blue Shade is a true icon reborn. Number 2. Mido Multifort Chronometer M038.431.11.97.0 is a bold reinterpretation of a timeless classic, showcasing a striking design that captures both vintage charm and modern elegance. Its standout feature is the captivating gradient blue dial, transitioning from deep navy at the edges to a lighter shade at the center, creating a dynamic visual effect. Encased in a 37mm stainless steel case with rose gold PVD coating, the watch exudes refined sophistication, complemented by a matching mesh bracelet for a seamless fit. The clean dial is enhanced with slim indexes and day-date display at 3 o'clock, balancing function with style. Protected by a durable acrylic crystal, it remains faithful to its heritage-inspired design. Powered by a Swiss automatic movement, it delivers precision and reliability with every wear. With water resistance up to 50 meters, it is perfect for daily use. Available at an approximate price of $1,000, the Commander Blue Shade is a true icon reborn. Number 1. Mido Rainflower M043.2207.6.131 Wars is a graceful lady's automatic watch inspired by the delicate beauty of blooming flowers, combining Swiss precision with feminine elegance. Its radiant white mother-of-pearl dial is adorned with subtle petal patterns that shimmer under the light, while diamond-set indexes add a refined touch of luxury. The slim 34mm stainless steel case ensures comfort on the wrist, paired beautifully with a soft white leather strap for a timeless and versatile look. At its heart, the Caliber 80 automatic movement delivers impressive accuracy and an extended 80-hour power reserve, offering both performance and reliability. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective treatment guarantees clarity and durability, while the transparent caseback reveals the intricate mechanics within. Water-resistant up to 30 meters, it is designed for everyday elegance rather than rugged extremes. Available at an approximate price of $1,000, the Mido Rainflower embodies Swiss craftsmanship with a refined feminine spirit. That's a wrap on our roundup of the best Mido watches. Known for their Swiss craftsmanship, elegant design, and reliable automatic movements, these timepieces offer style and performance for any occasion. Which Mido watch caught your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more watch reviews here at Watch Genius.